Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDRAW color wheel. And in today's video, I will show you how to use color wheel, how you bring out color wheel in your design to have effective, nice color for your design in CorelDRAW. If you have been struggling on how to use color in CorelDRAW, this tutorial here is for you. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CorelDRAW software. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do, let's say for instance, I want to bring out color wheel. I'm trying to go ahead and come to the shape tools right here. So I can decide to select my ellipse tool. Then I will select my ellipse tool right here, and then I can decide to come to the workspace right here and draw a perfect ellipse. Okay. So press Ctrl key down and draw a perfect ellipse. Now here, I've drawn the shape, but I want to maintain different types of color and a clean, cool color for this particular shape. So in some cases, when you all have what you have in CorelDRAW right here is by default you have some of the color from this side right here, but there is more to color in CorelDRAW. So some of the color right here, there is more to it. Okay, let's say for instance I decide to choose red. Okay, this is primary red in CorelDRAW, but at the same time we can still get more variety of red color in CorelDRAw. So this brings out about color wheel in CorelDRAW. So how you bring out color wheel and how you can use them for your design. First thing first, what you want to do is to come to the top right here. So go ahead and click on window. Then from window, navigate to Dockers right here. So on getting to Dockers, you have different tools right here. Come down below right here and go ahead and choose color right here. So once you click on color, in a few seconds, color window is going to pop up from the sidebar, just like what you see right here. Now, how do we bring out color wheel? Now here you have different types of color elements. You have one to be, first one right here is show color viewers, then followed by another show color slides. And if you click on show color slide, it's going to give you another thing entirely. You have it right here, just like what you see right here. Then you can decide to go ahead and click on show color palette. This will give you different palette of color available in CorelDRAW. But still here, this is not the red we want to use. We want to get more variety of red color right here. Okay, so we can go ahead and select the first one right here, which is show color viewer. So once you click on it, it takes us right here. Then what we want to do here to bring out color wheel, we have to be sure we click on this setting icon right here. Click on it, then go ahead and click on wheel is right here, HSP. So once you click on that, in a few seconds you have it right here. Now, how do you use this particular color wheel right here? And then by the time you drag around, you see different colors going to pop up right here. But in some cases, if the color is not being reflected in your design, it means that you have to make sure you block this particular part block right here. If I unlock it right now and I try to use the color wheel right there, you'll find out that the color is not going to be reflected in my design. This only works if you want to change the outline color of that particular design. Let's say for instance I want to change the outline color of this design, then selecting the circle, then I'm coming to the top right there. I can go ahead and increase the circle outline width. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and put this into about something 60% and hit enter. Now I have it. Now I have it right here. So now I have it right here to be 60% in width. Now we want to apply different color in the outline right here. So what we want to do is to simply come down below right here from the color wheel, click on outline, it will automatically reflect it. Now here we can decide to change the outline color. So once you click, it's going to give you color wheel from the bottom right here. We can decide to adjust the slider. Once we are satisfied with the slider, it's going to give us the color in the base right here. Go ahead and click on outline, it will automatically fill up. Now we want to change the inner color of this particular circle. First thing first, we have to come down below right here. We make sure we lock this part lock right here. Once we lock this part lock, then you can click and try to check out some of the interesting color that will make your design more unique Once the more you click around, the more you have different color code right here. In some cases, you might write down this color code for a future design reference. Maybe for instance, you don't want to mess up with the brand color of a particular design. Always write down your color code somewhere, copy and paste it. The fact that you always remember each time you want to work with that particular brand right here. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as how to use color wheel in CorelDRAW. For more useful tutorial like this about how best to use the CorelDRAW software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you